Yeah, hi guys. Today we'll try to learn about basic queries in MySQL. So it's like how we are generally creating the table. So inserting values into table. Once we created the table, how we can display the table information. Okay. So let's start with the session. Agenda is creating table in MySQL, inserting values into table. Okay, so once we inserted the values in the table, display the table information. Okay, so generally we are calling fetching table information. Okay, so these are the three activities today we are trying to learn about. So just let me open MySQL. So this is a MySQL workbench. So here we are creating that our queries and executing queries. So once we query created, once we run the query, we'll display output in this output prompt command display prompt. Okay, so let's take an example of employee table. Okay, so this is the employee table having values of employee name, employee ID, employee department. Okay, so I am creating the table. To create the table, create table employee one name. So we need to mention row type, row name, and it's a row type. Okay, which is belongs to kind of data type, so we need to mention. So e name is a data type of varchar, length of 20. E employee ID is a data type of integer int. Okay, so e department varchar of 20. So this is a query used to create the table employee. So I am taking employee table as employee 1, table name as employee 1, with the rows employee name. It is a data type of varchar. So it is taking the characters. Employee ID is a data type of integer. Employee department, it is a type of varchar. Okay, so if you want to display that employee one table information, select star from employee one. So this we need to make a note of it, like after each query ending we need to mention semicolon, that is stating that is the end of the query. Okay, so select star from employee one. So if you execute this query, so first of all after writing any query we need to execute. Okay, see, I executed first query, 0 rows affected, just it is created the table but we don't have any data. So if you want to display that employee one information, so it is created employee name, employee one table with the employee name, employee ID, employee department. Okay, so first one is clear. So creating the table in MySQL. Okay, use create command. Okay, so coming to inserting values into table. So for this one we are using insert command. Insert into employee one of. So we have rows of employee name, employee ID, and e department. Okay, so in this employee one table we are adding values. So insert into employee of employee name, employee ID, employee department, values of, so employee name, first one is Ramu. So employee, let's start with employee ID 1000. Okay, so he belongs to IT department. So after writing each query, we need to execute. Okay, see, you can see the output, one row affected. Okay. Let's copy same query. So Raju, employee, same, he belongs to the employee IT department. See, one row affected. The employee of Sai, 1002, employee name, is belongs to HR department. If we execute this query, one row affected. So if you want to know, if you want to display this information, you can use the select command. Select star from employee 1. Okay, so if you execute this query, we can see 3 rows in the employee table. Okay, so this one inserting command, we need to use the insert command. Okay, to fetch the table information, we are using select command. Okay, so in this one, if you want to filter rows information, if you want to know particular department information, we can use the where condition. Okay, so let's try this command, this query. Select star from employee 1 where e department equal to IT. Okay, so if you execute this query, so it will fetch all the information where department is equal to IT. Okay, see, we have IT department in the employee table of 2 rows, so it is displaying 2 rows. So these are the main 3 commands regularly we are using in MySQL: creating the table, inserting values, and fetching table information. Okay, so we can filter so these are the 3 basic commands we are using in MySQL. So please try to practice. Thanks for watching.